Bro, Stormclaw is 1 away from winning. And everybody's going against them right now. This is just, like, insane, dude. The level of skill gap. Wait, free egg right here.
You've got an egg. Go, go,
free egg, free egg. Holy cinema. Take my time on the way back. Drop that bitch off.
Leaves 3 minutes remaining.
There's like so many other eggs just like casually lying around.
Now we're even.
Bro, come on, man. What are you possibly pressing right now? What combos is this guy cooking up? I am hearing just straight mashing.